Alright, just so we know, in North Plainfield, New Jersey, we had the second time the thunderstorm. Because there was a lightning strike 2 times in North Plainfield, New Jersey. Just because I say North Plainfield doesn't mean it hits in this township. Because I can see the lightning, like, you know, like really far away. But don't get me wrong. If next time there's a lightning strike, that's going to be number 3. Next time will be a lightning. Watch this. And I remember when I was in science class, they call us nimbus clouds. Because like when it's pouring sometimes very heavy rain and with the thunderstorm, they call us nimbus clouds. We'll just wait and see what's going to happen. Mamma mia. You guys should tell me how popular I can be as soon as we stop filming this video. But so far my phone is pretty good condition. I don't think it's gonna die out from the water. It's just like it's like smaller space. If I'm correct with my proper phrase, I think. Well, I think my phone should be okay. It can still record. I know so far the light is still on. Please don't tell me I missed the lightning. Actually, here's a trick part. I think every few minutes, or between a few and several minutes, it's gonna be a next lightning. It'll do like every time, a few minutes or several minutes, it's gonna be the next lightning. The reason why is because it's not a severe or extensive thunderstorm. Technically, it's called a normal thunderstorm. If that makes sense with my sentence part. Just to fill in the puzzle. I know it's still thunderstorm rain. If I see the next lightning or hear the thunder or bolt, it's just gonna be number 3. I see how dark the clouds are getting a little bit more. And probably in like 9 minutes it's gonna be like very heavy. Oh, I just saw a lightning. Woo! Number 3, people. Number 3. Give a round of applause. That's how we film the show and post on YouTube. Yes. In a few seconds you're gonna hear it. Yep. Woo! Yeah. We hit the jackpot. I'm talking like Jim Cantor's language, but I'm Matthew Rodriguez. Laugh out loud though. I'll give you your whatever you want to call it. We can give you like $5 billion jackpot with the biggest lottery you can ever get in New Jersey lottery history. Laugh out loud again. So far we're at number 3. I'm about to check my battery. Hold on. Hopefully it doesn't die out on me. Hold on. little bit less than 20%, so we're good actually. No worries. I think it's number 4, is it? Because if it's number 4, we're going for the world's history streak. It's gotta be 3 times still. It's gotta be 3 times. Every lightning strike and thunderstorm counts. I'm telling you right now, once again, is North Plainfield, New Jersey, which is in North Jersey. Even if it's Central Jersey, it's North Jersey. But we're, oh, number 4, number 4, number 4, number 4. Woo! And how I know about this too is this: when it's nighttime, it's like a lot more safer too. Sometimes. Woo! You can hear that sound. That's number 4. I just want to apologize to you guys because without filming, that was second time, but with the filming, it was another 2 times. So 2 times 2 is 4, so basically it's the same thing, like 2 plus 2. So we'll make it 4. 4 times the thunder in my memory for today's date of August 20th, 2026, which is a Thursday. But don't worry guys, tomorrow will be the best happy Friday ever. Today's Thursday, so no reason to worry about anything. Anything could be like good or bad, anything. So if we see one more time the light show, we give you a high 5 here. Oh! Alright, that's number 5. Woo! Clap for the air 5. High 5. And give me enough for the high 5. This is up next year. I know North Plainfield, New Jersey is non-mountain, so it's more safe to see outside at daytime rain thunderstorm. When you live in mountains like in the woods, that'll be a little bit kind of more dangerous. You're just standing there like multiple trees.